Today is Wear Red Day. We are here with Manchester United Foundation delivering anti-racism education to 50 young people from across Greater Manchester. Wear Red Day is Show Racism the Red Card's national fundraising day. It's an opportunity to visibly show your stance against racism and help us raise vital funds so that we can continue to educate young people against racism.
I think working in collaboration with Show Racism Red Card is really important to us as a foundation. Gives us an opportunity to educate some of our students around racism, stereotypes, but also learn from the young people about what their ideas are about how to combat racism.
We were learning about how racism can affect us a lot. It was very inspiring at the same time to know that other people have gone through this type of stuff and how they overcome it and how it was beneficial for them and how it helps them.
Sometimes some people get racist comments in school. A lot of people in my school are going to respond better to things like this and call it out.
So it's really important that those young people have now had the opportunity, they've had the inspiration to be able to take those ideas and those plans back into school. They know that they can make a real change, and that's really important that they've had a day where it's not just about we could do this, we could do that, but it's actually things that they are going to do, and they've got practical ideas and ways of actually making a difference.
The space that we're in has created a great environment for them to learn. They're clearly excited about being here. I think it's put a nice new refreshing twist on how children can be educated on anti-racism.